tuned, but to make some panorama shots or something like that, just by pressing this finger, by the end of finger, just like on the piano. And the right arm is to maintain the system. And when you go to the Steadicam, you use it like this. All the time, use it like this. This one, not so more very tighten, no, it's not enough to tighten very well. Just a little bit to be, okay, the Steadicam is here. And this one, just to secure the system. And you go back. And now when you will have the monitor, it will be easier for you to make the shooting on Steadicam, because with the monitor here, it's not all the time, oh, okay, we'll see where I go. No, I have the monitor. Also, I can see on the ground if I have some holes, some problems. So I will be like this, and camera like this, and I will shoot on this way. Also, if you want to make some traveling or you want to change your position of your body, you can do like that. And when you want to go back, I can be like this. And after I go in front of me. It's not a problem. You can see? And when I will go back, piano style, and go back one more time like this. Like this. Like this you can do. It's very easy for me, as you can see. The camera, if you will be correctly set up, you can see the camera, it's on all the time the same position. And the body moves around. Can do the camera still stabilized. And when you have some free time between the two shots, you keep this like that and this like that. And it can be secured for the camera, for the Steadicam operator, and also for your back, because it can be very weight. So you are in this position and you can go after, okay, let's go, and you do it like that. And also you can go around the subject, you can tilt with this position. So that's why never like this, because if you want to make a panorama, imagine with this left arm making like this, it's not so sweet. You do very well by the end of the finger. You do like that, slowly and nicely. And that's it. After I will show you how to use it when it will be correctly set up. How to manage, for instance, you can see here, we have some difference level on my foot. And we can do jobs like that, for instance. We are here, and we can make the height with the body, or you can use it directly with your arms. You can see the difference between the arms or the body, as you wish. And now to finish the tutorial, you go back to the position, you bend your knee a little bit for the back, you put the lock pin on it, just bend a little bit, no more, like that, just to release the tube, as easy as this way. And you are ready to put over the arm and go back. So now I lose these two screws, and as I said, never push it here, because it will bend all the arm on front of you. You need to remove this system very slowly, and you can see very easily I put it up, because I go straight and linear, not bend it, because as you can see with the pin you cannot move it on back or bending, just release it very slowly, and as you can see, very easy. With this strap, you put it back here, and also you have a second pin on the other side for the backpack. So I remove the backpack like that, I remove it. With this strap I go on the other side, and we're ready. That's it. Thank you for watching.